So I'm not going to do a tutorial on how I put them on quite yet. I'm going to wait until I have my office at the new house and so I can do a good video tutorial. But right now I'm just going to show you what I do to like get my lashes ready. So these are the magnetic lashes. These are what go on the top of your lash, and then these go on the bottom and meet up with that top. So they sandwich in between your top lashes, not your bottom. So I've been wearing the Demi Wispies. I just had to pick these up to do a tutorial, and they're not the right ones that I typically wear. They're more dramatic, but they'll do. So I typically cut with... Sorry, my dogs are like shaking. Okay, so when I get them, you can kind of see that's a magnet, and that's a magnet, and that's a magnet, and that's a magnet. I cut that first magnet off to the second magnet, so that way it doesn't go all the way to my tear duct. Okay, so that way I do it on the top and the bottom. So I cut off that first magnet all the way to the second one, so that way they don't go all the way to my tear duct. So that way they look a little bit more natural. So that's like my one. Good morning. I wanted to get on here really quick and do a lash tutorial because I know I've been promising you guys for like weeks, literally weeks. So I'm gonna do that right now with my same. So for starters, you're gonna get a top and a bottom piece, and then that's gonna be the same. They're just connected right there. Don't mind my nails, please. I'm really sorry. Okay, so this is the top and the bottom piece, and they were actually longer. So they come in the package longer, and if you can see, there's a magnet right there, a magnet right there, and a magnet right there. That part of the lash is the part that goes towards your tear duct. I use scissors, and I cut that first magnet. So I cut that first section off. It'll be like a little small magnet and then some lashes and then this magnet. So I just cut right there, and I did it on the exact same spot for the top and the bottom. So that way they looked more natural and didn't go all the way. Okay, so the lighting is horrible in my bathroom, so just bear with me. So if you've noticed, I have... Dogs are going crazy. I have mascara on my top lash, but just like one. So I have mascara, just like a small amount. Oh, whoops. Oh, well. It's been a rough morning. Just a small amount on the top on both sides. I just do like one coat so that way it blends, because you don't want to have like... So I have naturally pretty blonde eyelashes. I think if you have darker ones, it probably isn't an issue, but these are like black. So if they only go halfway across my eye and my eyelashes are blonde, it's going to look like stupid. So I just do that to... So once you get the hang of it, it's easy peasy. I can like throw both sets on in under a minute. But what I do at the very beginning is kind of like bend them a little bit like that, just to like loosen the strip up so that they kind of... So I'm about to start, okay? But I have to do it in my mirror because there's no way I'm doing it in my phone. I'm like blind as a bat, so I have to get like centimeters away from the mirror. Okay, so